Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 26, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Sixth row, we have 754. 754 can't come these two cells. It will come any one of the three cells. We'll confirm later. There are only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Sixth row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6 will confirm later. Seventh row and column E, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9 can't come these cells. 8 and 9 will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only one cell remaining. We don't know 4 or 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. You can confirm 4 also here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. We will confirm later. Column B and column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row and column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Column B and column C, we have 8. Second row and third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column D, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. We will confirm later. Column C and 8th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Eighth row and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Column E and column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Will confirm later. Third row and 9th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. One and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells, will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have 9. Column H and column J we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G and fourth row we have pair numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 5. We'll confirm later. In column G, only one cell is remaining. We don't know 8 or 9. We'll confirm later. Fourth row, we have 7. 7 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column B, only one numbers are remaining. 1 is confirmed here. In this grid, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 2, 8, 7. 10th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Eighth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 number are remaining, 6 and 9. In this grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. We can confirm 8 is here. We can confirm 9 is here. Ninth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. In this grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 5. Column J, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, we have 4. Then 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column I, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 2. Second row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. We can confirm 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Second row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.